Imagine waking up and seeing this. Your bank account just grew while you slept. No lottery ticket or a miracle. Just the result of work you put in weeks, months ago, quietly building an online business that now pays you back again and again. Today, I'm going to share really people stories from web affiliate, names you can look up, story you can verify, so you can see this is not a hype. Those are ordinary people who took consistent action and built a extraordinary results. We have spent 6 lessons learning how affiliate marketing works, how to set it up, and how to get traffic and sales. But today is different. Today is about proof. Proof that you can start from nothing and create something that pays you for years. Proof that this system is repeatable and real. Meet John, no marketing degree, no tech wizardry. He followed the web affiliate training, built a niche site, and focused on quality content. One morning, $3,700 in a single day. Was that every day? No. But it is the perfect example of what happens when traffic meets the right offer at the right time. As you can see, John's post is earning big commission, and you can also make this kind of money if you stay committed. Zarina started slowly. Her first few months, cricket, but she kept going, posting, learning, adjusting. 2.5 years in, $3,750 in a single month. That is rent, bills, and saving covered. All from work she built once, and that keeps paying her. As you can see, her commission is still going years after years. Jerry started as a student, juggling studies with building his site. Over time, multiple sites and audience later, he had $100,000 a week. This is not a promise, it's a proof of what is possible when the system you build start compounding. As you can see here, he also made $4,000 in a commission in 4 hours. This is the proof that what you learn here in 7 days works. You just need to put in the work. Those people all share 3 things. They started with no special skills, they followed a proven process, and they stay consistent. That is exactly what you now have after this 7-day bootcamp. With affiliate, you will get step-by-step training to build your business from scratch, AI credit to write thousands of blog posts every month, done for you in a minute. A community that answers your question fast, hosting, keyword tools, and everything you need in one place. This is the exact toolbox John, Zarina, and Jerry used. You can use it too. This could be your turning point. 1 year from now, you could be the one posting your success story, but it won't happen unless you start. If you have not signed up with Web Affiliate, click the link and let's begin. This is the end of our bootcamp, but the start of your business. You have the knowledge, you have the proof, now it is your move. I will see you inside with affiliate. After hearing those success stories, what kind of result would you love to achieve for yourself in the next 12 months?